Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 184th shloka. नभेते चिजाले न सेते चियाले कळो लागले सज्जनाचे निबोले अनिर्वाच्यते वाच्य वाचे वदावे मना संत आनंत शोधित जावे. Creation happened from nothing. That which was not there came into existence. All that started becoming clear due to the words of the saints. That which is indescribable needs to be spoken about. O my mind, search for that infinite and get the help from the saints to do that. There are many theories about how the universe came into existence. Samartha Ramdas Swami refers to the creation of the universe in the first line of this shloka. Initially, there was nothing. According to the Rig Veda, initially neither there was existence nor there was non existence. There was only the Supreme Reality and its vibrations. It is that which pervades and permeates the whole cosmos. Then, from that Supreme Reality, the universe got created. Again, there are many theories around how exactly the universe got created. Then the Trimurti, the three deities, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, who create, maintain, and destroy or transform the universe, came into existence. So, from Supreme Reality, which does not have any form or attributes, what we call as Nirguna, came into existence the main gods, who are with the form and with attributes, which we call Saguna. But who has taught all of this through the Vedas and scriptures? They are all the saints who perceived that which cannot be perceived. They started explaining that which cannot be explained. They have tried to explain the Supreme Reality, which cannot be described in words, but still was described by the saints, and only they can do that. It was through the saints that all descriptions about the Lord Vishnu, Lord Mahesh, Lord Ganesh, and others came to the knowledge of everyone else. The Supreme Reality, the Atman, our real self, how they are one and the same, and all the Vedic scriptures are the outcome of the work done by the saints, and only through them we are able to have the knowledge about it. The characteristics of the real saints were described in the previous shloka by Samartha Ramdas Swami. We need to keep on learning from these real saints and try to put in words that which cannot be put in words. Only with the help of the saints we will be able to slowly start understanding everything. But before that, we need to get rid of our ego. Then the layers of understanding will start peeling off, and we will be on the path to understand the real self and the supreme reality. But even for that to happen, we need to first start the search for the real saints who can help us on that path, and then, with their help, keep on searching for the supreme reality. Friends, if you liked this explanation, feel free to provide your feedback and do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel a dialogue with our mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ